Meaning of Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. It is observed on the first Sunday following the first full moon after the vernal equinox, which falls between March 22 and April 25. The holiday is an important day in the Christian calendar and is typically marked with religious services, family gatherings, and the exchange of gifts and chocolates. Easter Sunday is seen as a symbol of hope and new beginnings, emphasizing the power of life over death.